Hi everybody, my name is Wade and I've been working with Mozilla Spoke and Mozilla Hub in an effort to bring virtual reality to my classroom. I want to show you what I came up with. Um, Maybe you've got some ideas you can share with me. Anyway, I'll be commenting as I go along about what's good and what's bad about Mozilla Spokes and Hubs. So I've already created something here and you can see it. I call this the regular pest pavilion, and well, let's just go ahead and publish, and we'll take a look at what I have here. So I'm going to click publish. First I'm going to save everything. This has been a real buggy experience for me. I'm not used to, I guess this is the alpha edition or the 1.0 of Spoke. It's a little rough. It requires a lot of patience. Anyway, I saved it, and now I'm going to publish to Hubs. Hubs is I guess a server where they keep all these virtual reality things. I've given this a name, a regular past pavilion, my attribution. I will allow remixing. This is all Creative Commons, and allow Mozilla to promote my scene. I'm not sure they will. There's very little documentation about any of this stuff, and what they do have is really weak. Anyway, I'm going to click Save and Publish, and it's exporting the scene. It takes a few moments depending on your web. Ours isn't great. So I'm going to click View My Scene, and then we're now in the Hubs web page. I'm going to create a room with this scene. And we're entering the lobby. You can see what's going on out there. I'm going to click Enter the Room. You can also send this to a VR device, but not at the moment. We're not going to do that. I'm going to give my avatar a name. I'm just taking the first one it gives me. And then I'm going to accept. And now I'm in, almost, choose my device. I'll click Enter on screen to select the computer I'm on. Audio is on. And here I go. I'm in now. And first thing I would do is tell my students go watch this video, and we'll go over there now. I'm controlling everything with the mouse and the arrow buttons. And as we get closer, you'll be able to hear the video.
Irregular cell. On most irregular words, it is the vowel that is changed.
This video is about irregular verbs, and that's what this whole little chat room is all about. Mozilla Hubs was designed to be a virtual chat room. I'm kind of not using it as a chat room, but more as a classroom. I'll show you where the difficulties come in. Anyway, I put this video up, and I can stop it here. I hope. Okay. And my intention is to have the students come over and watch the video, and I may or may not be in the chat room with them. I may encourage them to go look around for themselves. Once they've watched the video, though, they have a little exercise here to do, and I'll take you over there eventually. It's a little difficult controlling this with the mouse and the buttons. Anyway, what I did is I took some pictures and I put them up, and with a few words it said change from go to went. That would be the simple past, irregular, and there's a picture of a mall, so I would elicit that the students should say I went to the mall. And then we'll go look at the next picture, which is, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's ice cream, and the verb is buy, to buy, and so they would say bought, and then they would go to the next one, the next picture, which is eat, and there's Tina Fey eating her heart out. Anyway, 8. I ate too much. And here's the final prompt and the final question. So you went to the mall and then you bought ice cream. You ate too much and then, well, get becomes got, and I would expect them to say something like, I got sick. If they use another irregular verb, I wouldn't be upset. I would still use this as a good example. Anyway, then we can continue over here. I need to bring this up. This is a GIF picture. This program has a great deal of difficulty with transparencies for some reason. I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't load at all. Anyway, I've set up an assignment over here for the students to look at, and this is where we get our feedback, our deliverable, if you will. I see you saw that the video, it finally popped up over here. You can see that. Let's go back to our assignment here. Okay. So what we're going to do is, this is where we get our deliverable from the students, see if they've learned, and have them produce some of the language. And one of the things we do is we want them to do, or I want them to do, is show that they understood how the verb works, and that they can use it in a sentence, even if it's a very simple sentence. So what I have them do is I use the magic selector, and I'll click it here. And what that does is it takes you to Google Poly, and I want them to maybe use people. So I have them pick one. Pee Wee Herman, it wasn't so good. Some of these are really good, and some of them are just very troubling. Santa's pretty scary. We'll use Santa. Okay, so I have Santa in my scene, and let's see, let me grab him here. And I have to use my mouse to get him. There we go. And I'll put him over here. And then, he's kind of floating. And then I'm going to go up here. The next one is we chose an object. We hung it on the screen. And next we're going to use the pen. And this is a bit problematic. I don't know why. This is so difficult, but for Mozilla, they need to work on these things. Not everyone's got a headset with a virtual mouse. Anyway, I can use this pen and I can create a sentence. It said, Santa gave G-A-V-E gave me I'm not very good at this. Even in virtual reality, I can't write well. Gave me a toy. We'll put, oh, there we go. We ran out of space, didn't we? Toy. Oh, gave me a, we'll try it small. T-O, oh, gave me a toy. All right. Now, I'm sure my students are a lot more capable than I am. Anyway, I'll drop the pen by clicking escape, and then I'll click the instructions say share on Twitter. So I've got my sentence, it's in the simple past. Santa gave me a toy, and now what I'll do is I will turn myself around. Whoops, wrong way. Try to turn I'll put Santa, I think, a little closer to the drawing or the words. There we go. And then what I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll turn around. Hopefully I'll be able to see everything. And then I'm going to click on the camera button, and there I am in a picture. Let's see if I can get a little closer to the, okay. All right, I can almost see what I'm doing here. Maybe if I move a little, whoop, wrong way. Nope. There we go. Now I have a selfie, and I'll just click that. And hopefully I got a picture. And then I'll share it to, oh, well maybe not. This is one of the issues that you always have with these, with Mozilla. I don't understand why it's so hard. And then, well, hopefully it'll let me take a picture. Well, it's doing something now. Okay. So, I guess we'll share this. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. There's our picture, our little video, I guess. And what we'll do is hopefully we can share this. Wade took a photo. Okay, finally. Yeah, I took a photo. And let's see if we can share it. We'll just click that arrow. And I'll share this link and I'll put it on Twitter. Then I can go to Twitter. And if we had a class Twitter, we could use it too. Let's go Twitter. Oh, yeah, Twitter. Okay, here we go. Yes, that's my number. Okay. Where is my picture of me? Home? Well, no one said this would be easy. Well, that's interesting. I don't know, I'm not sure why it's doing this. I really don't. Good old Mozilla. I appreciate what they've done so far, but why it's so difficult to use is beyond me. You would think that that there would be a lot easier, better instructions at least. I don't know. I don't know why. I'm sure that somebody in Palo Alto is thinking, what an idiot I am. Anyway, there's the picture. And I have everything I've required. Santa gave me a toy, and then I can use this as, if we do show the class Twitter, then I can show everyone's photo, and we can evaluate then how well we did. So that's what I've got so far. There are a lot of problems with this program, as you've seen. I don't know why it's so difficult to use any of this stuff, but boy, it sure is buggy. If you're listening to me, Mozilla, I wish you'd just fix it. Gee whiz. Anyway, that's what I've got so far. If you want to know more about this, drop me an email, and I will gladly explain everything else that I possibly can. So thank you very much for watching.